How to truly recognize a person, 5 everyday situations. Even when we communicate with a person for a very long time, we cannot always really know him. The reason for this may be that your relationship has a special format, and you are afraid to go beyond its borders. To truly recognize a person, you need to survive 5 everyday situations. 1. Stressful situation. The way a person behaves in a stressful situation can say a lot about him. Then a person may not completely control himself, show aggression, be nervous. And maybe vice versa, take the whole situation under his control and easily cope with it. Also, if a stressful situation is associated with you, then you can find out how a person really treats you. 2. General accommodation. A person's relationship with you can easily manifest if you live together. You can even just go on vacation for a couple of days or weeks. So you will see if a person appreciates your personal space. 3. Money issue. There are a lot of cash transactions that show a person's current relationship with you. For example, drawing up a general budget calculation in restaurants. A person's attitude to finances can say a lot about him. 4. Your success and happiness. It is necessary not only to help a person when something does not work out for him, but also to believe in his successes, sincerely rejoice for him. 5. Discussion of other people. When you communicate with a person, you cannot always understand whether he is sincere. But when you start discussing others, then this is clearly visible. If he pours mud on others, then you should think about it. Maybe behind his back he speaks unflattering about you. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.